A chain is only as strong as its weakest link. A chain is only as strong as its weakest link. After explaining the meaning of this proverb, it teaches how to apply it to life, overcome difficulties, attract luck, and achieve success. Hey there! Welcome to today's video tutorial, where we'll be diving into the world of proverbs and self-improvement. In particular, we'll explore the classic saying, "A chain is only as strong as its weakest link," and discover how to apply its wisdom to your life. By the end of this tutorial, you will have learned how to overcome difficulties, attract good luck, and achieve success. So, let's get started. To begin with, let's break down the meaning of the proverb. A chain, as you know, is made up of individual links connected together. If one of those links is weak or damaged, the entire chain can break, regardless of how strong the other links may be. This adage teaches us that the overall strength and effectiveness of a system, team, or even our own lives can be determined by its weakest component. Now that we understand the meaning behind the proverb, let's discuss how to apply it to our lives. One of the first things we can do is identify our weaknesses, whether they are in our personal lives, careers, or relationships. By pinpointing these areas, we can begin to work on strengthening them and ultimately creating a more robust and resilient chain. To overcome difficulties, it's essential to adopt a growth mindset. This means viewing challenges as opportunities for self-improvement rather than insurmountable obstacles. When you encounter a problem, take a step back, analyze the situation, and determine the best course of action. By doing this, you'll be better equipped to handle difficult situations and turn them into stepping stones towards success. Attracting luck may seem like an impossible task, but it's all about creating opportunities and being prepared when they arise. One way to attract luck is by networking and building strong relationships with others, be it through social events, online communities, or professional gatherings. The more connections you make, the more likely you are to encounter new opportunities. Another way to attract luck is by being open to change and embracing new experiences. This will allow you to discover new paths that can lead to success. Achieving success is the ultimate goal for most people, and applying the wisdom of a chain is only as strong as its weakest link can help you get there. Success is not just about focusing on your strengths, but also about working on your weaknesses. By doing so, you will create a well-rounded and balanced life, which will attract success in various aspects. Furthermore, remember that success is not always linear. You may experience setbacks and failures along the way, but it's crucial to learn from these experiences and keep pushing forward. Resilience is a vital component of success, and by applying the lessons learned from this proverb, you will be better equipped to handle the challenges that come your way. In summary, the proverb, "A chain is only as strong as its weakest link," teaches us the importance of addressing our weaknesses and embracing a growth mindset. By doing so, we can overcome difficulties, attract luck, and ultimately achieve success in our personal and professional lives. So, take some time to reflect on your own chain and identify the areas in which you can improve. With determination and hard work, you can turn those weak links into strengths, creating a chain that is unbreakable. That's all for today's video tutorial. Thank you so much for joining us, and we hope that you found this information helpful. Remember, the key to a strong chain and a successful life lies in self-awareness, resilience, and a commitment to growth. Keep working on those weak links, and you'll be well on your way to a life filled with success, happiness, and good luck. If you found this video useful, please rate it highly, comment and subscribe to the channel.